Yeah, it's good. Life is a bitch. First you live, then you die. Huh? First you live, then you die. I say life is a bitch. First you live, then you die. Man, when you living, man, it's feeling like you dying, nigga. I ain't tripping on nothing. I am so sick and tired of all them things that's been flowing through my life fluently. Butches, I ain't tripping on shit. Yeah, you like some bushes. Yeah, I'm about to trim your motherfucking ass down. I ain't tripping on nothing. You a motherfucking clown. Move to the side, nigga. I ain't got no time for you. I'ma try to stack my chips up, then I shine on you. Putting it on from a motherfucking city while I'm smoking on that Doja, bitch. I'm feeling like Biggie, but I'm a little nigga like that nigga Tupac. Keep on playing with me, bitch, and I'ma leave your ass shot, nigga. And that's just all it is, nigga. I ain't spitting lyrics. I'm off the tip with this shit, nigga. Now you so vicarious, trying to see what's on the other side. I'm a real nigga, man. I always look in front with these eyes, nigga. That's just what I'm feeling. I don't give a damn to the rap game. I'ma kill it. When I step up in that motherfucker, I'ma mix it up just like a motherfucking DJ. You know I'm the realest. Bitches, please stop playing games with this boy. All these motherfuckers playing games, but your bitch is treating me just like a fucking what? Man, I don't enjoy. Now she's sucking on my motherfucking dick like a toy. Oh, now I hit a nerve. Now your ass is mad, wanna leave me on the curb. No, but that could never happen. Why the fuck is that, my nigga? Cause I'm stuck here rapping. Stuck here and I'm mashing when I'm thrashing on this illegitimate shit when I'm regulating. Man, I swear to God, I could do this every day. I ain't tripping on nothing when I rhyme, bitch. I play with this shit and I do it so simply. You niggas mad as hell, why don't tempt me? Cause I could freestyle the whole song and slaughter your shit written. Now you niggas mad, I'm optimistic. Why? Cause I know shit that you don't. I can do things that you can't do, nigga. I know. Hey, I guess I got the advantage, man. And I ain't even playing it. It just happened, I was born with it. I don't write a motherfucking thing, I freestyle it. I could've been doing this shit years ago, but I was just waiting for my time to blow. Hey, Wichita Falls stirred up. Not for off in this bitch, nigga. I ain't tripping on nothing, we too legit, nigga.